EdPuzzle is something I use to assign videos for my students in class. To use it, you just want to go to edpuzzle.com. You will need to sign in. What's nice is that it does link to your Google Classroom if you have one. Once you're in the home page, I'm going to click on My Content. So you can upload any video you want to EdPuzzle. So here's one on DNA that I have uploaded. So I'm going to click on that. All right. Now you can edit the videos before the students view them. So I'm going to click here on the right side where it says Edit. All right, and there's a couple things you can do. You can crop the video. You can do a voiceover, add audio notes. But what I want to show you is the quizzes. All right, so this is a video on DNA structure and replication. So let's say I want my students to watch the first minute of the video, and then I want to insert a question. So I click here, all right, and I can type in my question. Alright, and I will save that change. When the students watch the video at the 1 minute mark, alright, they'll see the question, what is DNA? They'll have to put in their answer before they can continue watching the video. Alright, now once I click finish, alright, I can assign the video and the questions to any one of my students in my Google Classrooms that we see over here. If you don't have a Google Classroom, you can still use EdPuzzle. You just want to click over here with private links, alright, and it will give you a link that the students can use to get to the assignment. But that's just a real quick way of how I use EdPuzzle in class. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks.